everybody, welcome to my newest video. This is going to be a fired up Friday. I just want to show everybody how I've got my ferro rod set up. I've got every ferro rod with a scraper and a piece of Fatwood and paratinder. I like to have paratinder on my ferro rods so that I always have tinder. So now I've got two types of tinders, and even my high-speed striker here, I've got a mini ferro rod on it and a piece of Fatwood. So I've got the paratinder, Fatwood, ferro rod, and that's just on my high-speed striker. What I would normally carry, I think, in the woods with me is this ferro rod here with a striker and a piece of Fatwood, as well as my high-speed striker for it, and I have a backup ferro rod with it and Fatwood also. So, but what I want to show you guys is this ferro rod here. By the way, this here is the ferro rod that Brandon B sent me. Thank you much. Now I got it on my high-speed striker. And I want to show you guys this ferro rod here. This here's the sharpener and scraper that Brandon B gave me. This here's a really good scraper. It throws some good sparks for this little ferro rod. It's also a knife sharpener for, I guess, a Swiss Army knife. So I've ran my Swiss Army knife through it a few times, and I want to see if I can make some curls with my Swiss Army knife after running it through there a few times. So here's my Swiss Army knife after running it through there. Knife's a little dirty, blade is, but there's my Swiss Army knife, and I'm just going to try to make some curls with it. This way I've always got a knife sharpener. I keep this Swiss Army knife in my survival kit, by the way, and I've always got a sharpener for it, as well as the scraper for the ferro rod. This stuff likes to come off in shards anyway. That should be enough there. I think I'm going to go ahead and use the scraper sharpener that he gave me, just to see if this will work here. There we go. Took a few strikes, but with a ferro rod this small. Again, that's my survival Swiss Army system. The knife sharpener and scraper and ferro rod.